Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. We make home temples and temples that are customized as per your requirement, your choice, and your puja traditions. In a home temple, these are the most important things because you always have a particular size. You have something in mind that you want something like this, and your puja traditions also. Because in some puja traditions, you have the dome, in somewhere you have the gopuram, with door, without door, you stand and pray, you sit on the floor and pray, or you sit on a chalky and pray. So all these parts comes and form a temple completely. Here I'm showing you one more temple. This is a customized unit from our regular temple, Teak TMP003. That's our regular model with the bells all over on the door. And this is customized to the client's requirement. This is in teak wood, high gloss finish, and this one is going to Hyderabad. I'll let you know what changes we have done in the original unit. First, the door part. The door you can see here, we have four bell-shaped cutting designs, and then we have 2D cutting with diya shape at the bottom, and this is as per the client's drawing. After that, we have changed the diya tray to a bhog tray. So here we have a big bhog tray, almost the entire unit size, and then the drawer part. In a regular unit, we have got four drawers. We have two drawers option also. This one is four drawer one, and we have changed one side to a cabinet here. So this is the change that we have done on the front part. Rest, left, right, top, everything is same. The other change we have done is include the modern day LED lighting in this. And the look of the unit you can see has enhanced and changed completely with this LED design at the back. And this is what we do. When we give you a temple, it should be as per your choice. And these changes are done as the client wanted. We deliver in India, out of India, wherever you are, and bespoke customized units. From a small 18 inches temple to 8 feet, 9 feet, and 12 feet temples, as big as you want or a smaller you want a temple that goes on the wall, you want to place something on the table, you already have a table, you let us know, we'll make the one for you as per the requirement and deliver to your place. Aarsun Woods has the largest and the highest number of designs collection, and that is visible on our website aarsunwoods.com, and more than 150 temple videos only on YouTube. Altogether, we have got more than 1000 videos of different furniture items, and all are visible on YouTube and Instagram and other social media channels, where there you can see Aarsun Woods is displaying our stuff. This is handcrafted unit. The work on the doors, the 2D cutting is done by machine. Rest everything is handcrafted, done by local artisans. So if you're looking for anything that matches your style, your taste, your puja traditions, and you want us to make one, the number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement and make the one as you want it. Thank you. Dhanyavad.